taking off the cowl and wipers, because I see a lot of guys posting pictures on Instagram with the wipers on. I guess they couldn't figure out how to take them off. And the reason is you can't take them off because it's such a tight spot. You can't get the ratchet in there. You can't get the wiper puller in there, so a lot of people leaving it on. All you got to do is take this shock off. If you pull this pin, you just pull it out and this comes off. I don't want to do it with one hand, that's why I got it on. And just raise the hood all the way. It will, believe me, it will go up like a Mercedes. And put something under it, let it hold. I use my old I use one of these old school long cold long blade, and I just put it in there and let it hold until I gotta, you know, take the wipers off, take the cowl off, and that's it. It's an easy fix, easy trick, but it will make your job a lot easier instead of trying to stuff the windshield, especially Porsche. You don't want to stuff in your Porsche. Side of the vehicle now with this Porsche, and this is supposed to come off, but this was replaced before. This is a Pilkington glass. You can see right there. It's a Pilkington brand glass, and they pulled the wires out. There's one you can see urethane. They was trying to, I guess, put everything back. So because they did that, I don't have to take anything off. But this has to come off. The clips, you pull them out, pull it down, but I don't want to do it now since I don't have to do it. So my job's going to be a lot easier. So all I'm going to do is unplug this and unplug rain sensor. Well, sometimes I guess jobs are lucky, because most of the time you know how it is. Things don't work out the way you want them to. All right, so it's off. This clip right here. I mean, just unplug this wire, which is the mirror. So take the mirror off. But it's tight right here, so let's see. I'll put this on the side for now. Gotta take this rain sensor off because careful, don't do that. Yeah, be easy, don't rush. So rain sensor off. This was, look, it's missing a gel. So whoever did it before didn't even put a gel on it. So that's no good. And there's barely any gel here. I guess they used the gel, the liquid gel, and didn't let it dry. You gotta let it dry 4 minutes. Marcy, Marcy's in a 70-degree weather is 4 minutes. So use Marcy, quick cure. Or use the pads, because Marcy has new pads now. All right. So this is unplugged. I got this camera here. I'll take it off later. And now I'm going to cut it with Equalizer Raptor. Let me set it up. This was replaced already. There's a lot of glue in there between the molding channel and the glass. Look at that bump right there. So it's going to be a problem for the wire. I don't know what's going on under the glass. But this side is even worse. This side is a whole thing right here. Look, it's all urethane. So I'm thinking using the wire, not a ripcord for equalizer, but the wires, because it's a little bit stronger. I'm gonna use that. So let me set my tool for the wire. Give me a second, I'll be back. All right, so I decided to go with a ripcord. I cleaned the channel out on both sides, but check this out. Since this was replaced, these guys, what they did was they took the bottom channel off of the glass, left this on, and just installed it right on top of it. Look, this is not even glued on. So they left the cowl on and took this thing off the glass, this glass that came from the warehouse from Pilkington. Look at this. Just use the old one. That's weird. Yeah, it's garbage. And now, since these guys took the bottom channel out and reused it, makes my cutout easier because the line won't have to go through all that. This job is full of surprises today, huh? I'll put this dash protector because of the dashboard. You don't want to break anything, and especially the VIN You don't want to rip the VIN right up. All right, there we go. Go slow in the beginning. And this ripcord already cut. Oh, hold on. Sorry, got caught. But this ripcord already cut few cars, so it has couple, let's say, bodies on it. Come on, I just keep getting. Yeah, hold on. Let's go. Here we go. I just gotta start it. All right, here we go. Now I got it. And since this power, I just concentrate on the line. Don't have to concentrate on the suction cup, and just pull it, and it's going easy. For now, it's going easy, but I don't know how much urethane is there. So I will stop here. And since this is power, I don't care how many times I move it, and I don't mind moving it. So I'm gonna put it all the way right here on this side. Let's continue. Sorry, I had a phone call, so I had to stop a little bit. Put this over here. And this ripcord, like I said before, I like it. It stretches. So if you feel pressure in it and it keeps stretching, you know something caught. And I had few windshields already cut out, so I got few bodies on it, and still going strong. I don't want to use a metal wire. Little afraid to use a metal wire. Man, where I'm going? Over here. All right. I feel a little bit tension because the tool already right here in the line there. So I'm gonna move the tool a little bit to the side, as close as possible. Now, since this battery powered, I don't care how many times I gotta move layers. All right. Another good thing, I could sit from one side, pull it, and guide the line. And I'm just sitting here. All right, let's tuck it under here. All right, so now I'm here. I'm gonna stop. Too much pressure on the tool and the line. All right, I got this last side to finish. Now, release this anchor. Put the tool right here, like this, and anchor. Let's put it above it so it doesn't get tangled. Stick the tool in there. And let's go. I'm gonna use this because, like I said, I don't want to use my fingers for anything. And this right here helps me guide the line and keep it tight to the windshield so it doesn't get caught on anything. Out of here, over here. Alright, I got a last spot. This way you gotta be easy. So I don't want to cut the line on the last inch. but it's pulling, and there we go. All right, glass is out. So let's release this. Let's release this. And turn it off. This thing is amazing, man. Really is. Oh, it's a little windy today, so. And let's see what we had to deal with. Look at all that urethane. Look at all that mess. Yeah, here you go. Look at all that urethane. So ripcord, had no trouble with it. Look at all this scratches that they have over here. They did prime it, but there's so scratched up. I don't think it even bonded here. Look at this. Look at that. Still soft. That's weird. Yeah, still a little soft. This car was purchased last year, last October, so glass changed before the last October, and still got a soft spot. Yeah, look at all that. Pop this. I gotta change my cups. Problem is I don't take care of it as should. I just put it on the hood. I should have cleaned it first, and it's damaging my cups. Yeah, look at this. That's too much. And ripcord had no problem with all this. And that's what I like about the tool, because you feel it by hand. If there's a pressure on it, you could put a little bit more, a little bit slower, or you know you have to move the tool. And the ripcord itself, it stretches, so it could take a little pressure. All right, so let's start cleaning this thing. Put that tool away. Alright guys, so the windshield is pinch wheel is clean, primed, so all that good stuff. That's my milk crate that I use. Don't pay attention, don't laugh at me. I like that thing. But look at this. What's wrong with this picture? I picked this glass from Migrant. This is a Pilkington brand. Look at all this tape. Everybody talking about contaminations, but then you go pick it up from warehouse and they do this, like the urine is supposed to go here. Look at all this right here. Look at all this tape. And you're talking about contamination, but then I pick up the glass like this. Migrant, what is this? Just, I understand you don't want to break the glass, or Pilkington, whoever. I don't know which one of you did it. Since I picked it up from Migrant, I'm gonna blame Migrant. You guys gotta change your tactics, because this is ridiculous. What is this? It's all set. The VIN a little low, but I don't want to push it too high. I gotta trim the molding, the piece right there. Set it. That old piece is from the old glue. I didn't cut too deep into the paint. So that's my set. Cross set. There you go. Oh, that's the laminate. I thought that was something. That's the laminate. But yeah, there you go. Gotta trim those corners. And let's look inside. Gotta put all this stuff back. There you go. This little bit still left here. This glass was ridiculous. How much tape did they put on this glass? It took me so long to clean. That's my van, a little messy, but it's a work van. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.